In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive but not from PC. The key idea is that we'll remove files from your OneDrive cloud storage using the web, while your own local copies stay safe on your computer. This works as long as those local copies are stored outside your OneDrive sync folder. If a file lives inside the OneDrive folder on your PC, deleting it in the cloud will also remove it from that synced folder. So make sure you already have a separate copy on your computer in a non-OneDrive location before you proceed. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Microsoft OneDrive website. When the page loads, sign in with your Microsoft account. You'll land in your OneDrive home view. On the left side, click My Files. This shows all the folders and documents currently stored in your OneDrive cloud. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the items you only want removed from the cloud. Again, as a reminder, deleting here affects anything that's synced inside the OneDrive folder on any of your devices. Next, select the file or folder you want to remove from OneDrive. You can click once to highlight a single item, or use the checkboxes to choose multiple items at once. If you're unsure, open a file to confirm its contents, then go back. At the top of the page, click Delete to move the selected items to the OneDrive recycle bin. If you prefer, you can also right-click the selected file or folder and choose Delete from the menu. Both options do the same thing. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Click Delete to confirm. The items are now removed from your main OneDrive and placed in the recycle bin in the cloud. Your separate copies on your computer, as long as they're outside the OneDrive folder, are untouched. A couple of helpful notes before we wrap up. Deleted items typically stay in the OneDrive recycle bin for a limited time, so if you change your mind, you can restore them from there within that window. If these files were shared, links to them will stop working once they're deleted. And if you don't see the change reflected immediately on a synced device, give OneDrive a moment to update. That's it. By using the OneDrive website to delete, you're cleaning up your cloud storage while keeping your local, non-synced copies safe on your PC. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to double check which files are synced versus stored locally before you clear space in the cloud.